Hello viewers, welcome back to Time to Unbox. Today's star of our show is iQOO 7. Yes, we are just going to unbox iQOO 7. And yes, iQOO is trying to deliver a better comeback compared to the previous generation offering iQOO 3. Even though we know that iQOO 3 made very good impact later when it was priced around 25k in Flipkart. It was considered one of the best value for money product right now. And they are bringing iQOO 7 as a delight for young minds who are more fond of gaming. The main highlight to consider iQOO 7 are the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 5G processor which it is powered by, and also the intelligent display chip and a dedicated game chip. Also it has an extended virtual RAM up to 3GB and enhanced UFS 3.1 storage as well. When we come to design of iQOO 7, it shares similar footprints of Vivo V20 and X60 series. Sides are made up of plastic and the back material which is anti-glare matte glass which assures no fingerprint smudges on back. Thickness of the device is around 8.43 mm and it weighs around 196 grams. Also device is available in storm black, solid ice blue colors. Now when we check the ports and buttons around the phone, so top of the device features secondary mic and left frame is clean with nothing and bottom is crowded with SIM slot which supports dual 5G SIM and sadly no SD card support, and also the next to the SIM slot is a primary microphone Type-C port which is followed by the speaker grill. Right frame holds power key and volume rocker. Also iQOO 7 comes with a stereo speaker setup in favor of gaming and multimedia consumption. No doubt that the gaming phone should come with very good display, and iQOO 7 did not fail in this area as well, as it comes equipped with a 6.62 inch Full HD Plus 120Hz AMOLED 20:9 display, and it is also HDR10 certified, and the screen to body ratio is around 91.45%. With the maximum brightness up to 1300 nits, so the outdoor visibility should not be an issue here, and 300 Hz touch sampling rate and 1000 Hz instant touch sampling rate are notably the key for the touch response during gaming sessions. Display protection is being the Quad Sensation Up, which is the next generation of chemically strengthened lithium aluminosilicate cover glass. When it comes to processor and performance, iQOO claims that the dual chip performance should enhance users' overall experience. Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 5G with the Prime A77 core clocked at 3.2 GHz. The iQOO 7 comes with the intelligent display chip and a dedicated game chip to increase the frame rate and optimize colors being rendered on the display. This chip is capable of changing the low quality SDR image to a high quality image similar to the HDR effect. Our variant is 8GB 128GB model, and the extended virtual RAM of up to 3GB can nearly make you feel like your phone runs with the help of 11GB RAM. Available variants are 8GB 128GB, 8GB 256GB and a 12GB 256GB model as well. The prime point of considering iQOO 7 should be gaming, and iQOO also insists that ultra gaming experience will be delivered with the help of the graphite layer being used, and also the liquid cooling system which helps in reducing device temperature during some intensive gaming sessions. The surround sound dual speaker should be promising as well, and also the 4D gaming vibrator. The vibration mechanism with the linear motor also makes you feel reality during the gaming sessions. And multi-turbo mode, all these clubbed together should enhance the overall gaming experience with iQOO 7. Now when you look into battery, backed by 4400 mAh, it is not going to sound like a crazy value compared to other gaming phones around, but iQOO provides 66 watt USB-C flash charge which can fully charge the 4400 mAh battery in 30 minutes, also claimed to be the fastest in this segment. Also no need to be worried as charger comes in the box. The OS it runs is FunTouch OS 11.1 global out of the box, which is based on Android 11, and it is clear that Vivo is somewhat moving close to stock Android experience, and also brand promises on software update like 2 major Android updates will be delivered and also 3 years of security patches. iQOO 7 also comes with a triple rear camera setup and a front 16 megapixel Samsung 3P9 sensor. The rear primary shooter is a 48MP Sony IMX598 with OIS, same sensor which you would have come across in Vivo X60 series, and the aperture value of f1.8. The 13 megapixel 120-degree ultra wide angle sensor is also capable of shooting macro photos, also with the aperture value of f2.2. The 2 megapixel mono lens comes with the aperture value of 2.4, and also the camera is capable of shooting various modes like ultra stable mode with the 4-axis OIS and the pro sport mode, Pixel Shift Ultra HD imaging, Video Pro mode, Super Panorama, Extreme Night Vision mode. All these can be accessed with the help of iQOO camera app. When you consider connectivity, this phone is 5G capable and also comes with Bluetooth 5.1. Now coming with the price, 8 128GB model is available for 31,990 and 8256 for 33,990, and finally the 12GB 256GB variant is sold for 35,990. Do let us know guys. Don't forget to leave a comment below about iQOO 7's pricing as well as whether iQOO 7 will be named the new flagship killer in this mid-range segment. Thank you for watching. Also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon nearby. Thanks once again. Have a nice day.